V tretji tekmi letošnje sezone prva zmaga na gostovanju v Domžalah, na koncu rezultat 2-1 strelca Žiga Repasa v prvem polčasu in Sheyi Ojo iz 11-metrovke v drugem polčasu. V primerjavi s tekmo na Madžarskem je Trener opravil nekaj sprememb v enajsterici, debitantski nastop v vijoličnem dresu pa je doživel branilec Luka Guček. Po izenačenem prvem polčasu, v drugem polčasu, po nekaj menjavah v polčasu, prevlada in pa zaslužena zmaga z zadetkom Sheya Oja iz 11-metrovke ter prve 3 točke v letošnji sezoni prve lige Telemach. Najzanimivejši trenutki nedeljskega večera v Domžalah v nadaljevanju.
Today it was a very heavy pitch. It's a very raining weather, which was not a top condition maybe, but as a Maribor we don't have any excuses, and today we had deserved victory. I am very happy for the boys, my players, that give every day this high effort, and they were very concentrated before the game. So I am actually very happy for them for this victory.
Me personally, obviously I had a little injury, so I was hungry to come back. First game of the season for me, so I'm happy to be back. I felt fine, no issues, so that's positive, and happy to help the team. I think all of us that came on made an impact, and it's about, it's not just individuals, it's about the team. Anyone who's coming on, whether you start, whether you come on from the bench, to bring positive energy and make an impact, which we managed to do today.
Po prvi zmagi v prvenstvu, zdaj upanje za prvo zmago v Evropi. Sledi namreč povratna tekma proti madžarskemu Pakšu v četrtek v Ljudskem vrtu, ko bomo lovili zaostanek enega gola.